Hi, today we're going to see how to create a 3D paper cut text effect in Photopea. So the first thing we need to do is to create a new image. Go to File, New. The image width is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Double click. So here it is. And now I'm going to change the color of my layer. So I'm going to left click on the foreground color. Going to select in light gray color. Press OK. Select the pen bucket tool and now left click. So here it is. And now select the type tool, left click here, select the type tool. So for the font, I'm going to choose Poppins. So here it is, the style is bold. So for the size, I will go with 300 pixels. And for the color, I'm going to change it to this blue color, this one here. Here's the HTML notation, press OK. And now I'm going to left click here on my layer and then start typing. So I'm going to increase it a little bit. So Control A to select all text. I'm going to increase it. I'm going to try to 400. So I'm going to increase it to 450. So here it is, this one here, good. Select the move tool. I'm going to move it to the center. So here it is. And now I'm going to duplicate this layer, this text layer. Right click on it and then duplicate layer. For the second one, I'm going to change it to white. Select the type tool, left click. Double click and then left click here, and now I'm going to change it to white. So here it is, and now press OK. So now I'm going to hide this text here, the white text layer. For now, I'm going to select this one here. So right click on it, rasterize it first, and then right click, go to blending options. Now let's move the window to the right so we can see. So now I'm going to add an inner shadow, left click here. Select it, so here it is, and now I'm just going to play a little bit with the settings here, distance, spread, and size till I get the result I want. So I'm going to add, so I think I'm going to leave it with this one. Let's try the spread. So I think I'm going to leave it with this one here. So here it is, and now press OK. And now let's select our top layer, this one here, the white text layer. I'm going to rasterize it just as before, right click, then rasterize, and now go to view. Make sure here the snap to guides here is checked. So now I'm going to make selection, left click here, select the rectangle select. So this is my white layer. And now I'm going to make selection. So here, as you can see, it snaps in the center here, guides. So here it is, I made selection. So now I'm going to cut the top part here and then paste it on a new layer. So Control X, cut, and then Control V to paste. So here it is. So this is the top part. This is the bottom part. So now I'm going to start with the upper part, this one here. So go to Edit and then select the free transform. So now hold the Control key and then drag from this handle here, and now I'm going to move it to the right. Once you're done, click this icon here to confirm. And now I'm going to select the bottom one, this one here. Same thing, go to Edit, Retransform. And now here, hold the Control key just as before, and I'm going to move this bottom handle. Going to move it to the top and then move it to the right. So here it is, and now just as before, click here to confirm. So now I'm going to change the color of this layer here. Right click on it, select blending options. Now I'm going to select the color overlay. Now I'm going to left click here to change the color. I'm going to move the window. I'm going to change it to a gray color. So I'm going to leave it with this one here. Press OK. Now press OK to confirm. You can also change the color of the upper one here. So you can right click and then blending options, color overlay. I'm going to change it, for example, to a very slight gray. So this one here, press OK and then press OK. Now I'm going to merge the upper part and the bottom part together. So right click on the upper layer, upper part, and then select merge down. So here it is. And now I'm just going to add a drop shadow, right click, select blending options, and then select drop shadow. So I'm going to move the drop shadow to be in this direction. So I'm going to move the angle like this. So for distance, I want to reduce it a little bit. Size, and now just need to tweak a little bit the settings. So I think I'm going to leave it here, press OK. And now in order to create a new layer from what's visible in the Canva, hold the Alt key, the Control key, and the Shift key, and then press E. So here it is. That's how you can create a 3D papercut text effect in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.